Elevator girl, sabi ng asawa ko. Wala lang. While waiting. Zucchini in the house. Pulo na. Food delivery ulit. Cooking downstairs. Eating upstairs. Yan guys, meron tayong zucchini. Ampalaya. We have smoothie, homemade. Ingat sa sugar. Thank you. Correct. Wala tayong backup. Di magsara yung pintuan. Waiting here because the other two broken also. No choice.